Welcome back to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today I'm going to flip through all of the layouts that I created using my Counterfeit Kit challenge for October of 2021. So here's my first layout. This is a redo layout of a previous layout that I had made in honor of my grandma. And this has a video of how I did that. This layout here is not on camera, but it is with me and my friend Corey. Next layout is of a bachelorette party that I went to with my friends. And there is a process video for that one. There's a process video for this as well, about my collection of Peanuts glasses. Next layout is a boy layout using my collection, and I thought this was clever of me to try to challenge myself to use a collection that I had put together with mainly pink colors. Okay, another boy layout. I focused in on using the darker tones to make this layout of my son and his first experience with balloons. And my last layout of the month is this one and my dog. She was a puppy and had a lot of anxiety, so tore up the bottom of her cage. So definitely a lot of ups and downs as a little girl. So overall, I created 7 layouts with my kit, and I feel like that's actually a really good number for my kit. Typically, I bounce around from kit to kit and I don't focus on just one thing. And so I felt like that was really good. I ended up having this many papers left. Now I did add throughout the month. I ended up having 32 full pieces of paper left for my kit, so my kit was massive. And I had scraps left over. I used some of the DIY chipboard thickers, so this is what I have left of that. I've got all of my other alphas left still. I dug in pretty heavily to my embellishments, but I still have several left. I didn't use those stars at all, that's okay. And then here are all my scraps. I am going to keep this kit together for quite some time. I don't typically tear down kits until I'm really sick of it. And I'm not to that point yet. I feel like I still have a variety of pages left that I can use. So what I will end up doing is placing all of my papers, all of these little things, into a plastic sleeve. So here's all my papers. I will end up placing all of my papers and supplies into a plastic 12 by 12 bag, and I will dig them out later. I will put my inspiration pieces in front so that they are front and center and I know exactly what I want to play with. So I think what I'll do is end up putting this one on front and this one on back, so that either way when I look through the plastic bag, I will know the color scheme that's associated with my kit. So, please comment below if you have any further questions for me. It was fun this month. Next month I have coming up my new month in review that is going to be for 2022. And I've got a new series that will last throughout 2022 using 8x8 scrapbook pages instead of 12x12. I feel like 8x8 is a great size for those one photo layouts where you don't want to do a ton of embellishment and layering. So look out for those videos. I'm excited to start that new series, and have a great day. Thank you.